Everybody, welcome back. Get the kayaks all set up. We're heading to the lake. Gonna meet up with somebody there that's interested in going kayak fishing today. So we'll have another kayak sitting on the trailer. Hopefully it's gonna be a good one. So let's get everything set up and I'll see you on the water. Look, see, I'm still leaning in the middle, Murray. See, look, that's how.
That's pretty sick.
Yeah. The kayak ain't gonna flip. It'll flip out before the kayak flips. So I gotta get my 360 on so I can get it. You'll figure it out. There you go.
I thought for a second. Oh. You alright? Shit, you're not joking. Oh!
Swamp monster! You want the seat down maybe a little bit more?
Get that on video.
Oh, yeah.
I don't need it. I can swim.
I'll put it on if something happens.
The weather is fine today. Nothing will happen.
I just don't like wearing it.
Yeah, that's okay.
You want the seat down maybe a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, there's a little... it's not funny, folks. This is very sick.
I was like, oh, he got it, and then... Man, it did. It just leaned to the side. Holy shit.
Yeah, and then you gotta lean the other way. So let's see. Out there.
Let's go low first, and if I get comfortable.
All right. You might want to open your drain plugs up there.
Holy shit. At least you don't have to worry about sinking. Yeah.
Is that it there? What's that right there? Stick. That's a stick?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you did come up. You went down with 3 and came up with 2. How's the water?
Huh?
Well, I ain't catching no fish here.
Fuck no.
I'm glad that guy went in
Make
the...
sure to scare them all within a 3-mile radius.
Yeah.
Bud?
Yeah. What?
Oh, that is my rod? Yeah. No, that's a stick. That is my rod.
Oh, is it? We got one. That's probably the cheapest one out of your bunch, huh?
Yeah.
No.
That was...
No, maybe he wants to just go in the bush and cry a little bit. Okay. I know I would. I know I'd be like, beep, beep, beep.
I was like, fuck this, not my day. Very generous
What?
with how hilarious that was.
Well, wait till you get to see
You
it.
guys are being like,
Wait till you get to see it.
oh my god. Like,
You have something to tell your kid.
You guys were so nice.
Well, yeah.
Honestly, we were expecting it.
Yeah. Cause I told him yesterday, I said, when we leave, I said, we're going to yell swamp monster when he falls.
He's like, oh, he's definitely going there. Oh well.
Yeah, everybody flips a kayak.
I know.
I flipped a kayak with my kid on the Swati when it's chocolate water.
Yeah, is that on video?
No, we almost died. It was that raging. I'm standing like that to try to stay straight, and my kid's over here, and she's spinning it in my hands, and the webbing of the freaking things going around my fingers. I thought I was gonna take my fingers off.
Finish him. Set me up, fucker.
No, I did not. No,
Yes, you did.
no, I did not. I don't want you to fall in the water. I gotta get all that swamp grass out of there later. Here you go. And just push it to where you need it.
Man, How you gonna explain that to her? Oh, she's gonna laugh at us.
Woo!
Maximum power!
Yeah, I didn't want to do that. Oh, that's a nice one, buddy. Hold on. Oh, that's nice.
Well, I'm paddling the rest of the day.
Huh?
I'm paddling the rest of the day.
There you go. No. Oh, man.
Isn't that crazy?
What?
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, he broke his other rod.
Take a picture of that?
Yeah, I got it.
You did?
Yeah.
All right, little buddy. Thanks, man.
Nice. There he goes. Nice job. Well, I just had one 15.75, and the camera wasn't rolling, but I still have the picture, so you'll see the picture. I guess I got caught up in the moment, and forgot to turn the camera on. Yeah, he's probably going. You just let me know when you decide to want to go, because if you want to go before me, I'll just lock it up, and it's no biggie. You can use this one if you want. Yeah, let me swing on over there to you. It's easier probably for me to do that to you. And when I get back out there in the point, catch a couple more if I can.
You heading up that way?
No, going up that way. Up there. Out there. Because they're sitting on the edge right now. Oh, shit. My adapter plate came off. Yeah, I might want to paddle back in there and fix that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put a couple of these on there instead of just two. Come on, you're good. Oh, there's one. That's a little guy. He's not gonna measure. That's a crappie. Oh no, it ain't. It's a bass. Just a little dude. He ain't gonna measure. Musky bait. Get back in there. Was hoping to catch a few more, but I ended up being 17th out of 50, so I'll take that. Next week is the Susquehanna Fishing Classic. Thanks, Murray, for being a good sport, aka Merman.
Ready?